Here's just a quick video to show you how to make the telescopes a bit more narrow if you have a narrow pupillary distance. So normally you'll see that this pupillary distance knob here widens or narrows the telescopes. What happens is if you turn it as hard as you can, it kind of stops, and you'll see this point right here where there's a little more space. And the reason it stops is it's actually, these are tightened down pretty tight, so there's not a whole lot of room. So what you actually have to do, if you want to make it a little more narrow, is just physically squeeze these in a little bit. See how you can actually bring those in just a little bit more. So you can actually just do it manually rather than, turn this to where it stops and then, physically just squeeze them a little bit narrower, and you can see how they're much closer together.